Today, we are here to showcase the production process of our Mary King Electronics Workshop. This is our incoming materials inspection department. We have the assembly process for our electronic components. Moving on, this is our wave soldering process. The large equipment you see here is our comprehensive testing machine. Now, let's take a look at our product's nameplate laser engraving machine, which exhibits subtle reactions. Following that, we have our product aging room. Lastly, we have the shipping and packaging stage. That concludes our brief introduction for today. If you are interested in our company, please feel free to contact us. Thank you for watching.